Welcome back to my channel, Max Cyber. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you. Today's video is about oil pressure switch sender, how it's work, and the wiring connection. This is the example setup of my demonstration. We have an oil pressure gauge, oil pressure light indicator, ignition switch and oil pressure switch sender. This is the wiring connection, letter G from the oil pressure switch sender, going to oil pressure gauge. The other side, letter WK in the pressure switch, is connected to the oil pressure light indicator. The primary function of your oil pressure sensor is to monitor your engine's oil pressure and transmit this information to the cluster gauge on the instrument panel. Most modern cars come with an electronic control module, which the oil pressure directly communicates to. This is the actual function. When you turn on the ignition switch, the light indicator comes on. The oil pressure switch sends a signal directly to the driver's instrument panel or the engine control module. They are usually normally closed switches. This is why the warning light illuminates when the ignition switch is first turned on and goes out after the engine starts and oil pressure rises. The oil pressure sender transmits the pressure through the wiper blade and coil, sending electrical signal value to gauges, modules and computer box of the engine. They can also be designed to output different voltages. In this case, the resistance of the sender varies depending on the oil pressure. When the oil pressure drops near to 0 psi, and the indicator light comes on again, the electronic module on your engine will stop the engine immediately to avoid damage of your engine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.